Hey spooky people, welcome back to my channel and welcome to part 2 of dyeing my hair from black to blonde. If you remember, in part 1 I had jet black hair and we used Color Oops hair dye to strip the black. If you remember, I had a golden light brown that was my final hair result. Well, that has actually faded to this dark brown, so this is currently what I'm working with. And instead of doing highlights like I had originally planned, I decided to go as blonde as possible. So today we are going to be using a few boxes of this Faria Hyper Platinum hair dye to see how blonde we can get my hair to be. This box says it'll take your hair up to 8 levels, but we will see about that. I'm always a little bit skeptical about dyes, but hopefully this one works for me and gets me to at least a dark blonde. That would be great. I have one bottle mixed up here already, but I will show you everything that comes in this box and we'll go over the process together. I'm also going to apply my gloves. And I just want to say, as a spooky ghoul, we love when they give black gloves and not clear ones. So major points to L'Oreal for that. Okay, so after reading the directions, it says that we're taking developer bottle 1 and we're supposed to add the bleach powder, which is number 2 here, into bottle number 1 and mix it up. So squeeze the whole top of this to make it fit into the bottle and dump it in, because I'm really worried about like spilling it all over the floor because it's powder. And I'm clumsy. And that's what I did with the last one, so seems like it worked. Okay, so now that that's in there, it says to shake this up so it's mixed just a little bit. And then we're taking the Hyper Platinum Cream, which is number 3, and we're going to put that into bottle 1 and shake that as well. And lastly, this also comes with a purple shampoo to tone your hair. So after you bleach it, it doesn't turn that orange or yellow color. It's supposed to be like a platinum white blonde. So that's what the purple shampoo is for, but we're going to use that in the shower. I'm going to add the Hyper Lightening Cream into the developer. So I'm gonna mix it up for a little bit. Okay, so now I have 2 bottles ready to go. I bought a third because I wasn't sure how much I would need, and of course I didn't want to run out and not have enough and have my hair be patchy. So I figured I'd just mix up 2 for now, and then if I need a third one I can mix that up. I'm going to do the middle of my hair first, all the way around, make sure that's completely saturated, because I feel like that's the part of my hair that is still a little bit darker than the rest, and I feel like that part needs extra time. So I'm going to do the middle first, then I'm going to do the ends, and then I'll do my roots and my bangs last. Kind of scared, but I'm hoping it'll work out. I wanted to do my hair now also because I'm going to a wedding at the end of June, so I don't want my hair to be like crazy 5 colors like it currently is for the wedding. But I don't know if you can tell, like I put a golden dark blonde on my roots. Well, I actually put it on my whole head, but it's only noticeable on my roots. I did that like over a month ago, probably more like 2 months ago now. And I didn't make a video of it because it didn't turn out how I wanted it to. So my roots are already lighter than the rest of my hair. So I'm hoping this will just make it more uniform. Ooh, I forgot how strong bleach is. The smell of this is like, ooh. Okay guys, so I am back. I applied the dye all over my head. As you can see, we have a couple of different colors going on. I feel like right here almost looks pink or red. My midsection is looking more yellow. My roots, I just did those, so not too much of a change yet. They do look like they're lightening up though. Definitely, do you see right here where it almost looks pink? That's interesting to me. Over here, it's definitely lightening up. But I put extra on my ends to get them as light as possible. So I'll let it sit for probably another 10 to 15 minutes and rinse like the directions said. And then once my hair is rinsed, I'll apply this conditioner that came with it. That's supposed to get rid of the yellow brassiness. So hopefully it does. And once it is dry, I also got a lot of it, as you can see, on my face, and I've been trying to wipe it off. But anyway, once it's dry, I will show you guys the final result. But right now it's looking promising. I'm a little concerned about all this. And I kind of feel like the dragon girl from Game of Thrones with the white hair. If you know, you know. That's it for now. I'm just gonna let that process and do its magic. Okay, so I'm about to rinse my hair in a few minutes. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick peek to see what's going on. As you can see, the top of my hair is very yellow. For the middle and ends, I actually opened up the third box of dye and applied it because it was just looking very orange. So I felt like I needed more bleach to make it more even, so hopefully that works. I'm gonna leave this on for like maybe 5 more minutes and rinse it, but just wanted to give you guys a quick peek. And of course I'm gonna apply that purple conditioner that's supposed to tone it in the shower so I'm not completely yellow and orange, and fingers crossed it turns out cute. Of course I'll be back with an update probably tomorrow when it's dried and styled, and I can show you guys how it looks. What's up, spooky people? It is a couple days later, and I just wanted to show you how my hair turned out. So I actually had to bleach my hair with the lightning bleach twice. I did 3 boxes to start with, and my hair was so orange that I had to go back to the store and buy 2 more. And this is how it looks now. It's still definitely yellow orange. Definitely not as orange as it was the first time, luckily. But I am gonna have to do something again with this. So I just went to Target and I got this. It's an ashier type of blonde, so I'm hoping it'll cut some of this orange and yellow and it'll look more blonde. If not, might cry. This is gonna be my 3rd attempt at doing my hair, so hopefully this will be the last one, but I will of course update you guys afterwards and we'll see how it turned out. Hey spooky people, so I'm back and here is how my hair turned out. As you can see, my ends are still a little bit brassy, but I am using purple shampoo every single time I wash my hair. So I'm hoping that helps to combat it a little bit. But overall, I think it looks pretty nice. It's a little bit lighter right here, but I am pretty happy with the outcome. I ended up putting a golden blonde over top after I bleached it, and this is the results of that. I think it looks pretty nice. I meant to buy an ash blonde, but I accidentally bought golden, so it's more of this color, but I'm okay with it for now, and of course I can always change it. But this is going to be the end of my hair dyeing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And I will see you guys next time. See you.